Hello everyone and welcome to Knowledge and Quiz Universe. Our today's quiz is the part 2 of the quiz on lakes of the world. So let us begin with the questions. Lake Victoria is the largest lake by area in Asia, Africa, Europe or America. The correct answer is Africa. Lake Victoria is a freshwater lake in Africa, and this lake is named after Queen Victoria by the explorer John Hanning Speke, the first Briton to document it in 1858. The area of Lake Victoria is divided among how many countries? 2, 3, 4 or 5? The correct answer is 3. The area of Lake Victoria is 59,940 kilometers square, and this area is divided among 3 countries: Tanzania, Uganda and Kenya. All these countries are in Africa. As shown in this figure, you can see that there is Lake Victoria, and towards northwest there is Uganda. Towards northeast there is Kenya, and in the south there is Tanzania. So, as I said earlier, that the area of this lake is divided among 3 countries: Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania. Which is the largest tropical lake in the world by area? Lake Tanganyika, Lake Victoria, Lake Malawi or Issyk-Kul? The correct answer is Lake Victoria. As we can see in the explanation, the area of Lake Victoria is 68,800 kilometers square. The area of Lake Tanganyika is 32,900 kilometers square. The area of Lake Malawi is 29,600 kilometers square, and area of Lake Issyk-Kul is 6,236 kilometers square. So, as you can see from the explanation, Lake Victoria is the largest tropical lake in the world by area. Which of the following is not a part of the Great Lakes of North America? Lake Superior, Great Bear Lake, Lake Michigan or Lake Huron? The correct answer is Great Bear Lake. As you can see in the picture, there are 5 lakes in North America, and they actually border North America and United States and Canada. Okay, so these 5 lakes are these are located on the US-Canada border. So what are these 5 lakes? Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. And these 5 lakes are also called as the Great Lakes of North America. So the Great Bear Lake is not a part of these lakes, and hence it is not a part of the Great Lakes of North America. Subscribe to this channel for more such content. Let us continue with the next question. Manitoulin Island is located in which lake? Lake Superior, Lake Ontario, Lake Michigan or Lake Huron? The correct answer is Lake Huron. Manitoulin Island is located in Lake Huron. Which of the following is the largest lake island in the world? Manitoulin Island, Aukhon Island, Isle Royale Island or St. Joseph Island? The correct answer is Manitoulin Island. So let's understand this with some explanation. Manitoulin Island is located in Lake Huron, Canada, and its area is 2,766 kilometers square. Okhon Island is in Lake Baikal, Russia, and its area is 730 kilometers square. Then we have Lake Isle Royale. It is in the island Isle Royale. It is in Lake Superior and it is located in United States. The area is 541 kilometers square. And St. Joseph Island is in Lake Huron, Canada, and its area is 365 kilometers square. So as you can see from these numbers, Manitoulin Island in Lake Huron, Canada is the largest island which is in a lake. We also call them lake islands. Which is the largest lake entirely within Canada? Why this question? First, I would explain this to you. The Great Lakes of North America are in the border of Canada and United States. In this question, we are talking about the largest lake which is entirely within Canada and not on the border of United States and Canada, right? So let us see the question again. Which is the largest lake entirely within Canada? Our options are Great Bear Lake, Great Slave Lake, Lake Winnipeg, or Lake Athabasca. The correct answer is Great Bear Lake. So let us understand this. Great Bear Lake, its area is 31,328 kilometers square. The area of Great Slave Lake is 28,568 kilometers square. The area of Lake Winnipeg is 24,387 kilometers square, and that of Lake Athabasca is 7,935 kilometers square. So as you can see from this, the Great Bear Lake is the biggest lake or the largest lake by area in Canada. All these lakes, the 4 lakes that I have listed, they are all within Canada, completely within Canada, not on the Canada-United States border. And among them, Great Bear Lake is the largest lake among the lakes in Canada. So with this, we have come to the end of today's quiz. I hope you got to learn something. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. See you again.